Hey everyone, learn how to enable data roaming in any Samsung phone or any Android phone. It is really very easy to turn on the data roaming and it is recommended. So go to the settings first and then look for anything which says connection or network. So you will find, especially in Samsung phones, you will find connections. We will click on that. And then you will find mobile networks. We will click on mobile networks, and there you will find data roaming for SIM 1, data roaming for SIM 2. I would recommend to turn it on even if you're not going for data roaming, because sometimes when we go outside, we forget to turn it on and the internet doesn't work. So you can always enable data roaming, and this is how you can enable or disable data roaming in your Samsung phone. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful